What if you could create logos, social media posts, website layouts, and even design ideas in seconds without being a professional designer? Most people use Claude AI only for writing, but today I'll show you how to use Claude AI as your personal design assistant and create better designs faster than ever before. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to use Claude AI as a designer, even if you're a complete beginner. We'll cover how to sign up, log in, and create design ideas step by step. First, go to the Claude AI website. Click on sign up if you're a new user. You can create an account using your Google account or email address. If you already have an account, simply click login and enter your credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll see the Claude AI chat interface where all the magic happens. Now, instead of spending hours thinking about designs, simply describe what you need. For example, type, create a modern YouTube thumbnail concept for an AI tutorial. Or, give me 5 professional logo ideas for a tech company. Claude AI will instantly generate creative design concepts, color suggestions, layouts, and design directions. You can also ask Claude AI to generate content for Instagram posts, Facebook ads, YouTube thumbnails, and banners. For example, create a professional Instagram post idea for a digital marketing agency. Claude will provide headlines, design layouts, colors, and call to action suggestions. The secret is using detailed prompts. Instead of saying, create a logo, try, create a modern blue and white logo concept for an AI startup, minimalist style, professional look. The more details you provide, the better the results. And that's how you can use Claude AI as a designer. Whether you need logo ideas, thumbnail concepts, website layouts, or social media content, Claude AI can save you hours of work and help you create professional-looking designs faster. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment below what you want to design using Claude AI. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.